This is not just a claim, it is a warning shot. Because when Iran talks about secret missiles, it is not speaking to impress, it is speaking to intimidate. And the message that is being sent straight to Israel and the United States bases across the Middle East. So here's what Iran just said in plain and simple words. Iran's defense ministry now claims that its missile arsenal it is bigger, faster and deadlier than anything it used in last year's war with Israel. Not equal, not similar. It is stronger, more numerous and more advanced. Now comes the man who's making these big claims. Brigadier General Reza Tlaibani, a senior voice inside Iran's military establishment. He says that the past conflict was not just a war, it was a testing ground, a live battlefield where Iran learned what worked, what failed, and what needed to evolve. And wait, here's the most shocking part of all. Iran says that many of its new missile technologies have never been revealed publicly. Not in their parades, not in their videos, not in satellite images. Why? Because Tehran wants a surprise. Surprise that it says is the real weapon. But wait, what kind of surprise? Well, Iran hints at longer range missiles, improved accuracy, stronger penetration power, better defense against the interception. Basically, in simple words, missiles that can be harder to stop and faster to reach their targets. Iran is right now feeling really confident because Iranian officials they believe that their missile strikes last year it played a role in forcing a ceasefire. They argue that pressure on US allies changed the calculation in Washington to Tehran. This is a living proof. Missiles bring leverage. And now comes the threat, unfiltered by the way. Iran says clearly that if Iran is attacked again, it will not fight cautiously. US-linked targets in the region will be hit. In fact, that includes military bases, that includes strategic installation, assets tied to American power. There is no ambiguity anymore, no diplomatic softening. Iran's message to these enemies, it is blunt this time. Military threats from abroad, they are dismissed as sign of fear. In Tehran's narrative, if enemies, they are talking more, it's because they are worried more. And of course, it's about US. Now let's step back and read between the lines here. This is not about missiles anymore. This is about deterrence. Iran is basically saying that think twice, then think again, and then stop. Let me tell you the bigger picture here. The Middle East is already tense, the world knows about it. US forces are repositioning, Israel is on high alert, proxies are mobilizing, and diplomacy is fragile. Now, in this environment, a secret missile arsenal, it is not a technical update. It is a strategic signal. So, here's what the entire world should watch next. Not speeches anymore, no statements. Watch moments. Watch deployments. Watch the silence. Because when countries stop showing weapons and they start hiding them, they are preparing for a different kind of game or maybe a different kind of war. And in that game, in that war, miscalculation can burn the entire regions and not just their targets.